Page 35. Japan has the oldest building site regulations where, following the Great Fire in Tokyo in 1657, the style and size of houses were laid down on the basis of seismic measurement according to the Kaiwario method. The basic dimension was can 6 Japanese feet. The distances between the worksets were measured in half or wall can. Windows, doors, and even mast size were determined on this basis, which considerably simplified house building in Japan, making it quicker and cheaper. In Germany, a similar system was developed in the area of half-temperature construction prior to the introduction of the meter. The determining unit was the Prussian foot, which was most widely propagated and corresponded to the Rhenite and Danite foot. The dimension between the axes of uprights was mostly ungefähr 4 feet. The Prussian Rhenite and Danite foot, still in use in building practice in Denmark, is translated as LES and the refract as. In the metric system, private construction firms have adopted a similar system for their system buildings, particularly for wood panel construction. The UK and USA adopted a system of measurement based on 4 feet, which is close to building panels manufactured on US machines are therefore why the country using the metric system. German permits boards for roofs also have standard dimension, the same as plasterboards. Finally, 135 is preferred number in the standard number system, the series of measurements resulting from was standardized in Germany in 1942 with the corresponding roof slopes. In the meantime, thousands of types of structural components has been produced to this system of measurement. The distance between the axes of beams in finished ceilings today is currently usually the length of the side of human adult. And find the distance between axes for factory and industrial premise and accommodation. Industrial structure and structures for accommodation are mostly subdivided in plan into a series of axes at right angle. The line of measurement for the axis is always the axis of structural system of the construction. The separations between axes and dimensional components of the plan, which determine the position of columns, supports, the centers of walls. In the case of brick frames, the central axis of bearing points of the variations are decisive. The measurements are always referred to the horizontal plane and vertical projection plane, even in the case of sloping roofs. In instruction structures, a basic measurement applies to the spacing of axes multiplies of this give a spacing